Good morning, food waste warriors. Today we're going to be making some chips from vegetable peel. Now these are the leftover peels from my dinner last night. Today I've got zucchini and potato, but you can use any peel. Carrot peel, pumpkin peel, whatever you've got, chuck it in, use it as a snack for the next day. If you haven't signed up to our food waste program, please jump onto the link, follow the instructions, and we'll send you some emails so that you can be an amazing food waste warrior. So what you're gonna need is your leftover peels. These potato peels have been washed so that there's no dirt residue on them. Obviously, we don't want to be eating dirt. I mean, compost is good, but it's not that good. To it, I'm going to just spritz on a little bit of olive oil, some salt. I like chili and smoked paprika, but you could use cumin, you could use a chili powder, a curry powder, whatever you've got in the cupboard, go for it. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna put some chili on mine. I also like to put in some nutritional yeast. I just find it so delicious. Once all those spices are on, get your hands, give them a good toss around so that everything is covered nicely, like so. And then just pop it into a baking tray, like that. Oh, yum. So they're evenly spaced out so that we get a nice airflow. And then pop that into a hot oven, so at 200 degrees. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a toss around and then let it cook for probably another 5 to 6. In total, you really want it to be in there for about 10 minutes. Happy making!